Hey guys, I got sent over a digital alarm clock plus a vibrator. It's supposed to vibrate when the alarm goes off. We're gonna get the box opened up and see how it works. Hey guys, I got sent over this digital alarm clock with vibrator to do a little box opening and to give my opinion on it. So let's get it opened up and see what we have and how it works. From what I understand, the little vibrating part is supposed to like go under your pillow or something. It's for heavy sleepers, and I guess people that don't hear their alarms very well. So let's see what we got here. We have our wall plug, a USB cord. It's going to be our power cord. And I guess this is the vibrating part. Our instruction book. And our clock itself. Nice size little clock. That removed. It does have a battery compartment. You can put batteries in there for a battery backup in case your power goes out. Okay, here on the back we have our vibration intensity. You have a low, medium, and a high. You have your day selection for alarm 1 and 2. You have your power port right here. That's where you're going to plug in your power cord. Right here we have a USB output. So you can plug your phone into the back of the clock here to charge your phone up if you needed to. And right here, this is where you'll plug in the little vibrator. Plug that in right there. Right here is your time set, your dimmer, your alarm 1 and 2, your minus and plus button, your volume button, 24 and 12 hour selection, and of course the snooze button, and it's also the OK and the night light button. And as I mentioned, you have your little area right here that you can put batteries in for battery backup, and it will use AAA batteries. Get it plugged in here. Get our clock set. See the time changing there. Push it again and it goes to the hour. Push it again and go to the minute. Flashing Sunday, so we'll do the little plus button and get to Friday. Time again, goes to the clock. We're at PM, so we need to go through here. If you just hold it down, it'll go faster. Oop, I passed it. There we go. Push it again, and we'll go to the minutes. Push it again, and we are set. Now, if you want to set your alarm, you just push the alarm button, and that'll turn the alarm on and off. You can set your alarm right here. We're going to go ahead and set this alarm. And push the alarm button and it'll switch it to the minutes. We are set for 2:22 p.m. on Friday. We've got it on the regular alarm and the vibrate. We'll get the little vibrator thing plugged in here so we can kind of, probably won't see it, but we will feel it and maybe we'll hear it. Not real sure. Should be going off in a moment. I believe if you had that under your head, well, you can, I don't know if you can hear it, but I know you can see it, but that thing flat vibrates. That ought to wake you up, that's for sure. I don't know what else to say. If that don't wake you up, you better have somebody dump you out of the bed. And you could just hit snooze. When the alarm goes off, press the snooze/OK/light button. The alarm icon will be flashing and the alarm will stop temporarily and ring again after 9 minutes. Snooze mode can be recycled 9 times. Now that was the high on the vibration. We're going to bump it down to the low and we'll watch it again. That is the high. That's a medium, and that's the low. Yeah, it lowers it somewhat. Not a great deal, but it does lower it down some. Now to cancel your alarm, you just press and hold the alarm button, and that should turn the alarm off. You quit flashing there if you noticed, and that means it is reset for tomorrow. If you want to turn it completely off, just press and hold that, and that'll turn that alarm off. Notice it is off now. Really nice little clock. I like the idea of the USB port in the back, so you can plug your phone into it. You wouldn't have to have an extra power outlet. And that little vibrating deal right there, put that under your pillow and you're going to get woken up. That's for sure. Looks good beside the bed. I tell you what, if you are looking for an alarm clock that should wake you up, you may want to check this one out. You can put this under your pillow, like I said. You can put it like where your arm would normally be. I think you're going to notice that vibration. It's pretty intense. I don't think it should be any problem at all. Nice little alarm clock. So if you want to get one of these for yourself, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. It's definitely a thumbs up. I like it. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.